Dear boy, we're talking suntanning, hanging tan, and swimming all year long!
The endless summer does sound fun.
And profitable?
Fun and profitable! Big business does it again! I just wish it could be the endless summer right now. Hey!
Oh, umbrellas are $3, sir! Oh, what a bargain! I'll give you 5! What?
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 52 for further details. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol. This is a child abduction emergency for extreme Southern California. A child abduction occurred on January 15 at 12:15 a.m. in Upland San Bernardino, California. The child's name is Julius Suarez, a 9-month-old Hispanic male. The suspect is Jermaine Suarez, a 32-year-old Hispanic male. The suspect is driving a 1997 light blue Buick Park Avenue, with a Nevada license plate number 423 WBD.